Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the GM certified 2016 Chevy Trax LT, stock number Z7499X. Only 15,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, black granite metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Seats 5. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with a removable privacy cover. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Just again, only 15,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to various music apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Large glove boxes with all the owner's materials and USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Under the hood, this Trax has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower, and of course just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 34 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information on this Trax, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.